Hello my dear students, this is P. Venkateshwarlu, PGT Physics. Today I will discuss about NCERT 12th class first chapter, Electric Charges and Fields. 12th CBSE, 12th CBSE Part 1, Chapter 1. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? Yes, Electric Charges and Fields. What is the chapter name? Electric Charges and Fields, my children. Electric Charges and Fields. 12th class CBSE Part 1, Physics Part 1, Chapter 1, Electric Charges and Fields. So what is the chapter name, my children? What is the chapter name? Yes, Chapter 1, Electric Charges and Fields. Electric Charges and Fields. Coming to introduction. Okay. So we know, my children, this is a chapter which is in CBSE 12th class Part 1, Chapter 1. Okay, so electric charges and fields. Coming to the introduction. So whenever glass rod rubbed with silk cloth. Okay, so what glass rod rubbed with silk cloth. Okay, so glass rod gets positive and silk cloth gets negative charge. Okay, understand? Glass rod and silk cloth rubbed each other. Glass rod gets positive and silk cloth gets negative. So like that, number of phenomena is there. So based on the friction, so one of the body gets positive and one of the body gets negative charge. Okay, see here, Benjamin Franklin, it is scientist name. Okay, he said lightning is a phenomenon of static electricity. Lightning is based on the static electricity. So what is static electricity? The phenomenon of rubbing of one to another material. So it will experiences some attractive property. So that we can say static electricity. Okay, understand what is static electricity? Static electricity is a branch of physics. Okay, so the study of charges at rest. So we can say that is static electricity. So what is lightning? Lightning, L-I-G-H-T, N-I-N-G, L-I-G-H-T, yes, L-I-G-H-T, N-I-N-G. Okay, see what is lightning? So large number of charges passing from cloud to earth, we can say that is lightning. Understand, my children? Understand? So here, like this phenomena, we can have number of phenomenon. There is by friction glass rod and silk cloth, like that number of phenomena is there, so which produce due to friction. Okay, so one body having the power to experience or to attract a small piece of paper, this capacity or this power due to static electricity, my children, static electricity. Okay, this we can say static electricity or electrostatics. Okay, so this is about introduction, my children. This is about introduction. Coming to electric charge. Coming to electric charge, it is denoted Q. So electric charge, it is a fundamental property. Electric charge is a fundamental property associated with matter. Okay, associated with matter. Okay, so any matter which having charge, positive charge, negative charge, or no charge, neutral body. Understand? So charge, electric charge is a fundamental property associated with matter. Okay, so here charges are two types. What are the charges? Positive charge and negative charge. Positive charge and negative charge. Okay, so when glass rod rubbed with silk cloth here, so what happened means some of the electrons are moved from one body to another body. Here the excess electrons present in the body, we can say negative charge. Okay, so means excess electrons of the body, we can say negative. Deficiency of electrons caused by positive charge. Okay, understand? So if a number of electrons and number of protons are equal, so we can say neutral charge. Neutral charge means no charge, my children, understand? Okay, so by rubbing or by friction, okay, so electrons are transferred from one body to another body. Understand? See here, in which body which have excess electrons, we can say negative charged body. So in which body having deficiency of electron, we can say positive charged body. Understand, my children? Okay, yes. Coming to units. So unit of charge is coulomb, and it is scalar. Quantity. So dimension formula a power 1 t power 1. So we know that how we can get means current I is equal to Q by T. Based on that, Q is equal to IT. So from this we can get dimension formula a power 1 t power 1, current time, or I power 1 t power 1. Understand? So this is about electric charge, and two types of charge. What are they? Positive and negative charge. My children, see here, coulomb is the bigger unit. And so another units, micro coulomb and nano coulomb. Is there. Okay, understand? Coulomb is the bigger charge. Okay, my children, coming to conductors and insulators. Conductors conductors and insulators. So conductors, the materials are the substances which have large number of free electrons. Okay, first one, large number of free electrons are which allows electric current. Okay, so a material or substance which have large number of free electrons are which allows electric current. We can say conductors. Okay, aluminum, copper, silver, these are the examples of conductors. Understand? Next, insulator. Okay, so a material or substance which have less number of free electrons. Understand? So which do not allows electric current. Okay, example, glass, paper, wood, okay, wood, etc. my children. Understand? So what are the insulators? Define insulator, my children. Yes, the materials are the substances which have less number of free electrons, okay, which do not allow electric current inside the insulators. We can say this type of substances or materials, we can say. So what nana? Insulators. Examples, glass, paper, wood, etc. Glass, paper, wood, etc. Understand, my children? Yes. Charging by induction. So what is charging? Charging by induction. So what is charging? So charging is a phenomenon in which the neutral body becomes a charged body. Okay, the process of uncharged to charged. Okay, understand? So the process of charging is a process of uncharged body to become charged body, uncharged material to charged material. Okay, so there are three methods. There are three methods. What are they? By friction or rubbing. By induction. By induction method also we have to produce charging, and conduction. Okay, understand? So charging by induction. Okay, so what is charging? Charging is the process, or it's a phenomenon, so in which the uncharged body becomes a charged body. Okay, here the charging is three types: friction or rubbing, by induction, by conduction. So coming to by friction, how we can get charged body. Okay, so while starting our session, so we have to discuss about the glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth. So we can say that rubbing is the phenomenon of friction. Okay, we can rub each other means that we can say friction, my children. Understand? It is a friction. So here in this phenomenon, so the electrons are present in the outermost shell of a particular elements or particular materials which are responsible for transfer of electrons from one body to another body. Okay, so because so electrons are only responsible for transferring of one material to another materials. There is no transfer of protons and neutrons, my children. Understand? See here in this process, by rubbing the free electrons are transferred from one body to another body. So in which the electrons are passing from one body to another body, that body is, we can say, positive. Okay, and in which the particle, the material which have free electrons are more after rubbing, means we can say that is negative charge. Okay, so coming to induction. Okay, so induction is the process in which uncharged body becomes a charged body, so without physical contact. Okay, without physical contact, means there is no physical contact. Understand? So coming to what is neutral body. So in neutral body means number of positive charges is equal to number of negative charges. Understand? Okay, in neutral body means a number of positive charges is equal to number of negative charge. We can say that is neutral body. Without physical contact, we can get neutral body. This phenomenon we can say induction. Okay, see, for this phenomenon we have to take one positive charged body. Okay, so what is this positive charged body? Okay, so and one another charged body, one uncharged body. Understand? So in this process, if the positive charge body moves towards the uncharged body, means here based on the properties of charges. So what are the properties of charges means? Okay, so unlike charges attract each other, like charges repel each other. So due to this, what happens, some based on the attraction and repulsion, see here, this positive charge means negative charges are becoming towards the positive, and positive charges are moves away from the negative charged body, like this. Understand? Because here positive charge, the attraction of positive charge is negative charge. Understand? So here, due to the repulsion of positive charges are away from the negative charge body. So and this is the approaches of glass rod positive towards the uncharged body is step 1. Okay, here step 2, what happened? So repulsion, due to the repulsion of positive charge which are moves away from the negative charge. And third step is, so we have to connect one conductor, we can say earthing. Okay, earthing. So earthing is a process in which the excess electrons or the excess charged particles moves from body to earth. What is earthing, my children? Yes, earthing is a process in which the charges are passing from higher concentration to lower concentration. Means we can say this is the symbol. Okay, understand? Earthing. Due to earthing, the positive charges passing from body to earth. Okay, so after this, while we can remove this, okay, so we can get a fourth step. Okay, so by removing this earthing, we can get a negative charged body. Understand? So by removing this earthing, we can get negative charged body. So in induction process, we can get the charge, we can get a charged body opposite to the positive charge. Okay, so we can get the charge of uncharged body. So what is the charge of uncharged body? Means opposite to the applied charged body, opposite to the applied charged body. So this is about what nana? Charging by induction. Charging by induction. Next, conduction method. Conduction. Okay. So conduction is the process of charging in which the charged body becomes uncharged body, or the uncharged body becomes charged body with direct physical contact. By direct physical contact. Direct physical contact. Understand? In this process, by conduction process, one charged body, okay, which by the physical contact, so the electrons are responsible for transformation of one body to another body. So after separation, we can get the body becomes positive charge. Understand? So positive charge. So if we can take negative charged body, negative, which are contact with another uncharged body. Okay, electrons are transferred from one body to another body by physical contact. In this process, you can get the negative charged body. After separation, so we can get negative charged body. Understand? So this process we can say conduction. Conduction is the process in which uncharged body becomes charged body by the physical contact of one another charged body. My children. Basic properties of electric charge, my children. Okay, see here we know that electric charges are positive and negative. Okay, positive and negative. So we know that positive charged body repel each other, negative charged body attract each other. We know that. Okay, here this electric charges are responsible for, or which are deflected in electric and magnetic field. Understand? So these electric charges which are responsible, or which are experiences which are deflected in electric and magnetic field. So and here main property is additive property. Additive. So this electric charge is additive nature. So here additive nature means consider a body. Okay, so this body having different charge, plus 2 coulomb, minus 3 coulomb, plus 1 coulomb, minus 4 coulomb, like that. Okay, understand? Here additive nature, it will gives, okay, the algebraic sum of total charge present in the body. Okay, the resultant charge of a body, which is defined as the algebraic sum of the charged bodies, present in the body. Means algebraic charges means, so what is total charge is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. Okay, algebraic sum means what, Nana? Q is equal to, what is Q1? Plus 2 coulomb, plus 1 coulomb, minus 3 coulomb, minus 4 coulomb. Understand? This we can say algebraic sum. So what we can get? Plus 3 coulombs, minus 7 coulombs. Understand? Finally, we can get minus 4 coulomb. So this will give the information about additive nature. Additive nature. So additivity or additive means the sum of the algebraic sum of the charges present in the body is called, it will give the charge of the body. So this is the additive nature. Additive nature. Next, conservation. Charge is conservative. Conservation of electric charge. Electric charge. Conservation of charge. So what is conservation? Conservation means remains same. A physical quantity is remains same. So means by friction, by conduction, by induction, okay, uncharged body, uncharged becomes charged body. So during this phenomena, during this process, there is no remove of charge. Means there is no what we can say creation and destroy. Okay, charge we can't destroy and charge we can't create directly. Okay, so this is the process of transferring from one body to another body. Directly we can't create positive and negative charge. Okay, it is the process which are converting into positive and negative charges. Okay, so conservation of any physical quantity means remains constant. Okay, which do not create, which do not destroy. Okay, which is remains same, which is remains same. By the friction, so by the friction, the electrons are transferred from one body to another body. Okay, we can't that destroy that electrons at a time. Okay, understand my children? Yes. So this we can say what? Conservation of electric charge. Conservation of electric charge. Next, quantization. Quantization. So quantization means so any charge present in the body which is the integral multiple of constant value. Okay, Q is equal to plus or minus Ne. Okay, a charge present in the body which should be always integral multiple of constant value. So there is no body having half charge, 3/4 charge, like that. Okay, it is the charge is a integral multiple of constant value. Integral multiple of constant value, my children. Okay, understand? So quantization of charge means Q is equal to plus or minus Ne. Based on additive nature and quantization, some problems is there in lower class. Okay, understand? First one, additive nature. Additive nature. So in additive nature, so they asked questions like so consider a body like this. Okay, here 4 charged particles is there, 4 or 5. So the charged part is 2 coulomb minus 1 coulomb plus 4 coulomb minus 2 coulombs and minus 3 coulomb. Okay, understand? Like this, what is the net charge? What is the net charge? By algebraic sum, we can get the total charge. By algebraic sum, we can get the total charge. Understand? What is the total charge? Yes, plus 2 minus 1 plus 4 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, Q is equal to 2 plus 4, 6 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Okay, means no charge. No charge. Understand? Charge is 0. So another one is quantization of charge. Q is equal to Na. Okay, total charge present in the body. Number of N means number of electrons. E means charge of the body. So what is E? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Understand? So what is E value? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, my children. Understand? Okay, so based on this, so particular charge body is there. In the charge body, how many electrons are present? Okay, so here Q is equal to NA, N is equal to Q by E, where E is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So by cancellation we can get a number of electrons. Understand, my children? Okay, so today, so until now the first session completed. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. Okay, my children.